Hey beautiful people, get into how I make this easy and delicious fresh out the oven sweet potato pie. I've been making sweet potato pies for the holiday going on 20 years now, and this is the very first time I've ever boiled my potatoes. I normally bake my sweet potatoes, and I cut them in small pieces so that they would cook faster. And this video is sponsored and brought to you by Oils and Bars Soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and honey soaps are made with natural ingredients, and oat milk naturally moisturizes our skin, and bee farm honey naturally hydrates our skin. And with added shea butter, you're sure to win with Oils and Bars oat milk and honey soaps. Get you some today.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
Now, when I watch cooking videos, I see people still using spreads and margarines. Use real butter, y'all. So I added 1 stick of butter to my sweet potatoes. And after my butter melted, I used flake sea salt because I didn't have any more kosher salt. If you still using the when it rains it pours salt, step your game up. Use a better salt. Then I added my cinnamon and nutmeg, and then I mixed it all together, making sure everything got incorporated nicely before I tasted. And after tasting it, I needed more cinnamon. You season this and flavor this to how you like it, okay? And I got my mixer, and your mixer will help to break down the strings. A lot of people rinse the strings as they mix. I don't. And into my mixture, I added a half a cup of white sugar, brown sugar, a half a can of sweet milk, and a whole can of evaporated milk. And I added my vanilla off camera. I mixed everything up. And once I felt like it was nice and incorporated, I tasted it again to see if it was sweet enough for me, if it had enough flavors from the cinnamon and nutmeg spices, and it was perfect. Then I added my egg. I added the remaining can of the sweet milk because I felt like it needed something to give it more richness. Okay? Now, with sweet potato pies, I have learned that the less liquid you put in your mixture will give you that thick, stodgy pie. I don't like my pies like that. I like my pies to be light, airy, and creamy. You make them the way you like your pies to be and the texture to be. So I filled my pie crust after par baking it for 15 minutes. I took my mixture and I put it in a freezer bag because I had some left over. Take your freezer bag and put it in like a bowl or a pot and pull the freezer bag over it so that when you pour your mixture in, there's no mess. As you can see, I had no mess getting my sweet potato mixture in that freezer bag. So it went in the freezer, and there you go. Easy sweet potato pie. Hey, do you prefer to boil your sweet potatoes or bake them? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to follow and subscribe and like. God bless.